Hello Internet, and welcome to another exciting edition of Corporate Armor Unboxing, the web series where we unbox the latest and greatest in security tech, and then we show you guys how cool it is. In this episode, we are going to be unboxing the Fortigate 60F. Now, I am really excited about this one, guys. I've been waiting a long time to do this unboxing video. When the 60F first came out, I asked Fortinet to send me one, and due to supply from customers, I got kind of put on the back burner, which that's understandable. We want to make sure customers get taken care of first, right? And then COVID hit, and production was a little bit slow, so it took me a while to get it, but I finally got my hands on this 60F. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what's inside. So in the box, you get your standard guides, the firewall, which we will be coming back to shortly, power supply, Ethernet cable, and wall mount hardware. Now, I'm a terrible judge of weight, but this thing is pretty lightweight. I'd say less than 5 pounds. Now, it can be wall mounted or rack mounted, or you can just set it on your desk or even a shelf. So let's take a look at the ports on the back. So you have your power plug, USB to connect to like a 3G or a 4G modem, a console port, you have 2 WAN ports, a DMZ port, and 2 Fortilink ports to plug into a switch. And if you aren't using a switch, these can be reconfigured as regular ports. And then you have 5 additional internal ports. Now on the front of the firewall, you have a bunch of status lights, so you can easily see if everything is connected and communicating. And now that we've got this thing unboxed, let's take a look at some of the specs. Now, the 60F has a firewall throughput of 10 gigabits per second. With IPS, it has a throughput of 1.4 gigabits per second and an NGFW throughput of 1 gigabit per second. The threat protection throughput is 700 megabits per second, and the SSL VPN throughput is about 900 megabits per second. The 60F is designed to handle about 25 users or less, so it's great for a small to medium-sized business or even an enterprise looking to put a firewall in a branch location. Now, the 60F is quite a bit faster than the previous model, the 60E. Now, if you want to learn more about the 60E, there is a link in the description to watch our unboxing video of the Fortigate 60E. Also, we will be doing another video in the near future, so stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified when it comes out, of a comparison between the 60E and the 60F. Now, outside of just the increase of speed, Fortinet has really put a lot of focus on secure SD-wan. Now, if you're unfamiliar with SD-wan, we also have a video that explains SD-wan. There's another link in the description for you guys if you want to check out what SD-wan is. But what's really cool about the 60F is that there is a dedicated ASIC SOC 4 chip to make sure that secure SD-WAN can be set up within your 60F, and Fortinet has made it even easier to set up an SD-WAN connection. So some really cool advancements with secure SD-WAN in the 60F. So to recap, if you have an office with 25 users or less, and you're looking for a firewall that can provide multiple layers of security, secure SD-WAN connections, and provide extremely high throughputs, I definitely recommend the Fortigate 60F. Now, if you'd like to know more about the 60F or really any other Fortinet product, call Corporate Armor today. Our security experts can help you find the product that best fits your business. And as always, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date and notified with everything that is going on at Corporate Armor.
If you like this video, you should check out some of our other Corporate Armor videos by clicking here and here, or here and here, or I really don't know where they're going to put the videos, but you're already here, so you might as well check them out.